Attention! Stand at ease! Attention! Get ready for Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram, begin! Stand at ease! Attention! Get ready for Gayatri Mantra! Gayatri Mantra, begin!
Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsaviturevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsaviturevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsaviturevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsaviturevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsaviturevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat.
Prayer position! Prayer, begin!
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
School, sit down. Assembly activity. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends.
A very warm and green good morning to everyone present here.
Today we have gathered to celebrate our very special day, Earth Day.
A day that reminds us that this beautiful planet is not just where we live, it's our home.
As someone once said, the Earth does not belong to us, we belong to the Earth.
So today, let's promise to care, protect, and respect our only home. Let's begin our assembly with a big round of applause.
To inspire us, we have the thought of the day by Antriksh from class 5th. Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is take care of Earth and Earth will take care of you. I repeat, take care of Earth and Earth will take care of you. Thank you. Thank you Antriksh for that meaningful thought.
Truly, a small action today can create a greener tomorrow.
Now let's enhance our vocabulary with the word of the day.
I invite Sagar from class 6 to share the word with us.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is conserve. It means to save something and not waste it. It is a verb. Sentence: we should save energy. Thank you. Thank you Sagar.
Let's all try to use word in our daily life.
It's time to stay updated with what's happening around the world.
I invite Shivam from class 4th for news headlines.
Good morning, everyone. Today's national news is the government has announced new steps to improve wetland conservation across states. Several parts of North India are experiencing intense heat waves condition with public safety. Sports news. The Indian cricket team is preparing for its upcoming international series with strong practice seasons. In the IPL, team are competing closely as the tournament moves towards the playoffs. Thank you. Thank you for keeping us informed.
Being aware is the first step toward being responsible citizens.
Now let's take a moment to connect spiritually.
I invite Lakshay from class 5th to present a Bhagavad Gita shlok.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इति यं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा।
हे मनुष्य, ये जो संसार तुम देख रहे हो ना, ये मेरी ही प्रकृति से बना है। ये 8 भागों में बटी हुई है। पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु, आकाश, मन, बुद्धि और अहंकार। ये सब मेरी शक्ति के ही रूप हैं। इनसे मिलकर ही ये पूरा जगत बना है और ये सब मेरे ही अधीन है। इसलिए इन सब को मुझसे अलग मत समझो। जो मुझे जान लेता है वो इस संसार के रहस्य को समझ जाता है और फिर उसका मन सदा मुझ में ही लग जाता है।
Thank you, Lakshay, for that peaceful and meaningful recitation.
It reminds us to live in harmony with nature.
Now comes a powerful performance that reflects reality.
A skit titled Earth vs. Humans.
This skit will show us how our actions impact the planet.
Let's watch and reflect.
Today is Earth Day, and for the first time ever, a court case is being held. Order, order! The case of the Earth versus human began. Bus, I am done. I need a vacation. Earth, state your problem. Air is sick. Water is crying. Fire is angry. What is happening to me? Call the first witness. Air. Who spread all this pollution? Earlier, I was fresh. Now, I feel like a garbage can. Explanation. You don't have any answer? Next witness, water. I used to be clean and shiny. अब तो लोगों ने मुझे डस्टबिन बना दिया है. Plastic bottles, garbage. Seriously. Fire, step forward. I help you cook food, but you burning feels like crazy. Now the earth feels like an oven. I gave you peace and silence. Do you have something to say? Wait, this is because of us. We cut tree, we wasted water, we did not care. We thought earth will always fix itself. But now earth needs us. We are sorry, not just in words. We are sorry for every tree cut, every drop wasted, every mistake. We will plant tree, we will save water. We will reduce pollution. And we will tell others to do the same. We never want to lose our earth. We never want to lose our earth. Thank you. That was a strong message.
It clearly shows that if we don't care of Earth, we may lose it.
Now I invite Dalveer from class 5th to share his thoughts on Earth Day. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to ask you something simple. If the earth could talk, what would it say to us? Maybe it would say, thank you for the trees you planted. But also ask, why are you cutting so many of my forest? Maybe it would smile and say, I love how you enjoy my rivers. But also ask, why are you filling them with plastic? We celebrate Earth Day once a year, but the Earth takes care of us every single day. It gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. And what do we give back? Today I promise I will not waste water, I will not throw garbage anywhere, and I will remind others to care too. Because saving Earth is not a one-day job, it is an everyday responsibility. Thank you. Thank you, Dilveer, for your wonderful thoughts.
Your words truly inspired us.
Are you all ready to test your knowledge?
It's time for quick and fun quiz.
I invite Viraj from class 5th to conduct the quiz.
Good morning everyone, my name is Viraj from class 5th A and I am here with the GK quiz. Question 1 for class 1 to 5. Which famous monument in India was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal? Option A Red Fort, Option B Qutub Minar, Option C Taj Mahal, Option D Hawa Mahal.
Option number C, Taj Mahal.
It's a correct answer. Question 2 for class 6 to 8. Which is the largest continent on earth by both land area and population? Option A Africa, Option B Asia, Option C North America, Option D Europe.
The correct answer is option B, Asia.
It's a correct answer. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India, often referred to as the Iron Lady of India? Option B Pratibha Patil, Option B Sarojini Naidu, Option C Indira Gandhi, Option D Sushma Swaraj.
Option B, Indira Gandhi.
It's a correct answer. Question number 4, class 11 to 12. The Bretton Woods Conference of 1944 led to the establishment of which major international financial institution? Option A UN and WHO, Option B IMF and World Bank, Option C WTO and UNESCO, Option D NATO and EU.
Option B, IMF and World Bank.
It's a correct answer.
That was fun and informative.
Hope we all learned something new today.
Now we invite our respected principal sir to share their thoughts.
I request Principal Sir to please address us.
Learning teachers and dear students, very good morning. Today we just saw little students performing and celebrating Earth Day. I keep saying education is not just cramming information, it is inculcation of values. And we just saw through the celebration of Earth Day, our students taught a value to nurture and care Earth as a living being. Earth is not dead, Earth is alive, and we have to respect Earth as it is our mother. So the celebration of Earth Day will be worthwhile if we take a pledge today to adopt a sustainable way of life. And if we truly adopt a sustainable way of life, it will be really very appreciable and will be adding value to the Mother Earth. Thank you.
We will definitely try to follow your guidance.
So let's take responsibility, plant more trees, save water and reduce waste.
Every small step matters.
Because there is no planet B.
School, stand up. Get ready for national anthem. National anthem, begin.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे